Right guys, so what we're gonna start off with first is we're going to blow up the balloons. I bought lots and lots of decoration and I'm really confused as to what to do with it. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just gonna wing it as I do with pretty much everything in life. So we have four, yeah, is that four? Four packets of balloons, I believe.
25 each.
25 each.
That's
so
100.
100 balloons that we're gonna blow up now. And it's gonna be fun. So hope you enjoy.
Is that enough?
Yeah, it should be fine. I should have ordered that machine on Amazon, but I thought, oh well.
You have a boyfriend who can blow balloons all day long.
I could just, you know, not buy stupid stuff that I don't need.
Number one.
I'll be regretting that. Okay, so basically this is the aftermath. It's not all of them. I think we blew up like around 75. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we blew up around 75 balloons. So I'm gonna see what I can do and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. You know this will be in the video, right? Alright guys, so this is the aftermath. I did a pretty freaking long garland.
We did.
We did, yes, we did. Now I actually have to figure out how to put it on the walls, so Svet's gonna be very helpful in this matter. So I'm gonna make sure to film this process as well. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, there we go. So this is the finished look of the arch. I'm not too sure if I should add some more balloons over there, just because there's lots more decoration to be added, but we're pretty happy with it. We did a pretty good job. Right, so we're currently in our kitchen and we're gonna be making my cake for tomorrow. Actually, Sven will be making it and I'll just be watching. We have prepared all the ingredients in this bowl, and then we'll be mixing it up. And yeah, all that's left is to be decorated and we're pretty much all good. Good morning guys, so it's the day of my birthday and I'm just heading downstairs, and Svet has made me a nice and lovely breakfast. I'm just gonna show you. So he's made me some nice breakfast and he's picked some fresh flowers from the garden. They're so pretty, you guys. Oh, he's the cutest. I'm not too sure if I showed you yesterday, but this is how my balloon arch turned out. We've put those fans up just so it adds a little bit more of, you know, some extra prettiness, and we'll be taking pictures here later on. Hi baby.
Hello.
What you doing?
I'm washing the mess from yesterday. There's chocolate everywhere. Everywhere.
Alright, change of plans. We decided to have some breakfast in the garden, and I just wanted to show you my tomato garden. It's getting so big, you guys, and pretty much all of them have what's this called, you know, just before the fruit or whatever starts growing. But I'm so happy with it. What is up, guys? We are headed to Greenwich Park. We've decided to make ourselves a little picnic, so we're just gonna sit, have a few glasses of wine and just spend the day together. We spend the day taking photos and videos and speaking to my relatives and my friends, and yeah, it's been a pretty great day so far. Hopefully it's gonna stay that way. And yeah, we're gonna get home later on and have cake. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hello.
Hey guys, we've been sitting here for like the past half an hour.
Drinking water?
Yeah, sure, that's water.
Good.
Yeah, we've been drinking some wine, having some nibbles, and just
It's not
enjoying.
wine, don't lie. In our country, that they
Excuse
call
me.
it ether.
That's
Ether.
apple juice. Yeah,
Ether.
true. Yeah, drinking apple juice.
Hey, honey,
Apple juice.
happy birthday.
Thank you. And yeah, just having some nibbles and enjoying the lovely weather. It's almost like Italy though, is it?
Yup.
Nah. But yeah, that will do. You know, hopefully when this quarantine shit is over, we'll be able to travel again and like see some new places and travel and
Bulgaria.
yeah, why not? Maybe, but we'll see.
Bulgaria.
I really wanted to go to Italy this year for my birthday, and I was looking at places to go, but you know, Miss Corona ruined it for everyone. Let me just take off these glasses because they look like a douche,
Douche.
like a douche bag.
Bag of douche.
Bag of douches. So yeah. By the way, I did my nails yesterday. Could you hold this for me, please? Thank you. I did my nails yesterday, and like about 15 minutes later, this one snapped off, and it was like around midnight, so I just had to glue them on because these are press-ons, and it was literally like not even 15-20 minutes later, this one snapped. So I was like, yeah, that's a great start to my birthday. But yeah, whatever, I can just make a new one and glue it back on. It's not a big deal.
Drinky.
It's a pretty nice one. It's not a bad one.
Small bottle. Too small.
Honestly, I expected my birthday to be pretty boring, and I was kind of feeling very low and thinking, oh, my birthday's gonna suck, we're just gonna stay
Want some popcorn?
home, doing nothing. But it actually
Happy
turned
day.
out. Wow, did you get it on my dress?
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. And my hair? No. Whatever. But yeah, it's actually pretty great. Like, I got to speak to my family. Lots of my friends wrote to me for my birthday, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you to everyone who wrote to me on my birthday. But yeah, I'm very thankful for everyone who wrote to me on my birthday. It really made my day, honestly. And yeah. Do you have anything to add?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. We'll see you guys in the next clip.